plant-based diets in India, balancing tradition and global health trends. India has practiced plant-forward eating for centuries. Dal, sabzi, roti, rice, millets, chutneys, fermented batters, long before plant-based became a global trend. The opportunity now is to modernize without losing roots. Keep the Thali logic, fold in new science, and make plates that work for budgets, taste, and health. Begin with the Thali as a health engine. A balanced plate is simple: half vegetables and salads, a quarter protein-rich pulses/legumes, and a quarter grains or starchy veg, with a spoon of fat and a fermented or probiotic element. Rotate colors and textures: leafy greens, crucifers, gourds, roots, chana, rajma, mung, masoor, rice, whole wheat roti, jowar bajra ragi rotis, or poha upma. The Thali already solves variety. We just apply it daily. Protein isn't a problem when you plan. Dal alone is modest. Dal plus one more legume or soy lifts the day. Mix chana plus mung sprouts, rajma plus rice, chole plus bajra roti, soy chunks tofu with capsicum, or peanut sesame chutney with idli. Aim for roughly 1.0 to 1.2 gram protein per kilogram body weight for active adults. Spread across meals: curd or soy yogurt at breakfast, dal plus sabzi at lunch, tofu chana at dinner, and nut seeds as snacks. For athletes or seniors, push to approximately 1.2 to 1.6 with soy, lentils, dairy if used, and a scoop of pea/soy isolate if food falls short. Micronutrients matter. Iron from dal, rajma, chana, greens, and jaggery absorbs better with vitamin C. Add lemon, amla, tomatoes, or guava. Calcium lands from radi, sesame till, greens, fortified plant milks, and dairy, if included. Iodized salt prevents thyroid gaps. B12 is the watch item for strict vegans. Use fortified foods or supplements. Omega-3s from flax, chia, walnuts, and canola blend help balance omega-6 heavy diets. Carbs and glycemic control are about form and timing, not fear. Choose intact grains: brown rice, hand-pounded rice, millets, or traditional preparations, idli dosa from fermented batters, and pair carbs with protein and fiber. Rajma with rice and kachumber, poha with peanuts and peas, paratha with curd and salad. Eat the salad veg first, then protein, then grains. This sequence blunts sugar spikes. Evening walks and consistent sleep lift insulin sensitivity more than rules on paper. Fats carry flavor and satiety. Use them wisely. Mustard, groundnut, sesame, and coconut oils have regional logic. Olive oil works for raw/chutneys. Ghee adds aroma. Keep it small and purposeful. Roast, steam, saute lightly. Deep fry as an occasion. Nuts, peanuts, and seeds are portable mini meals that beat ultra-processed snacks. Global trend check. Whole food plant-based beats ultra-processed plant in a packet. Mock meats can help transitions, but don't need to be daily staples. Many carry high sodium and additives. The Mediterranean pattern overlaps with Indian thalis: vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, olive, mustard oil, and herbs. Our spices are simply a different flavor science: turmeric, cumin, coriander, ginger, garlic, that also supports gut and metabolic health. Fermentation is India's superpower. Idli, dosa, dokla, neer dosa, kanji, pickles, and mustard or sesame oil. These add probiotics and make minerals more available. Pair with fiber and pulses, and you've built a microbiome-friendly plate without buying special bottles. Budget and access decide whether diets stick. Pulses, peanuts, seasonal veg, and millets stretch rupees and travel well. Pressure cookers, one-pot meals, and weekend batch cooking. Dal tadka, chana masala base, peanut sesame chutney, sambar concentrate. Turn weekday dinners into 15-minute assemblies. Street food swaps work too. Choose steamed, roasted options: idli, sandal, corn, chana chaat, over deep-fried rounds when energy is low but goals are high. Sample day that respects tradition and science. Breakfast: ragi dosa with peanut chutney and a fruit, or poha with peanuts and peas plus curd soy yogurt. Mid-morning: coconut water and a handful of chana/jaggery/peanuts. Lunch: brown rice or hand-pounded rice, rajma or masoor, mixed veg sabzi. Cucumber with lemon, a spoon of ghee if desired. Snack, fruit plus roasted chana or sprouts chat. Dinner, bajra/jowar roti, tofu or paneer burji with spinach peas, lauki tori sabzi, and jeera buttermilk, soy lassi. Dessert for weekends, fruit with sesame jaggery chikki or date nut ladoos. Special cases, quick notes. Hypertension, prefer low-sodium cooking, pickle in moderation, potassium-rich veg and fruits, and daily walks. PCOS, insulin resistance, focus on fiber-first meals, protein at each sitting, sleep regularity, and strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Seniors, softer textures, higher protein per bite. Curd soy yogurt, dal, plus egg if ovo-veg, tofu, vitamin D, B12 checks. Kids, the same thali, just smaller, with extra energy from ghee, nuts, banana, and curd. Eating out without derailing. Order 2 veg dishes, 1 dal, 1 grain, and ask for extra salad. Split fried items. Finish with sonf and a wok. At buffets, first plate is veg plus dal, second is small tastes of favorites. Celebration foods stay special. No guilt, just next day normal. Sustainability is the quiet bonus. Pulses and millets thrive in Indian soils with lower water use. Buying local/seasonal reduces transport. Supporting women's self-help groups and farmer co-ops keeps value in communities. Your plate aligns health with climate without slogans. India already holds a powerful plant-based playbook. The task is to use it deliberately. Keep the thali logic, protect protein and micronutrients, lean on fermentation and spices, and let routine, not restriction, do the work. The result is meals that feel like home and perform like modern nutrition. For regional, plant-based meal plans, shopping lists, and science-backed swaps that fit Indian kitchens, visit globalinfoveda.com.